Do you wish studying could be as exciting as scrolling through social media? Imagine if learning felt as fun and rewarding as checking your favorite apps. In this video, we'll share easy tips to help you enjoy studying and make it a habit you look forward to. Whether you're getting ready for exams or learning something new, these tips will help you stay focused and interested. Social media is designed to keep us hooked with endless scrolling, notifications, and engaging content. But what if we could apply the same principles to studying? Here are some strategies to make your study sessions as engaging and addictive as your favorite social media apps. Gamify your study. Social media apps use likes, comments, and shares to keep us engaged. You can do the same with your studies by turning them into a game. Reward yourself with points for each topic you master and set milestones to achieve bigger rewards. Compete with friends or classmates or even create a leaderboard to see who can score the most points. This competitive edge will keep you coming back for more. Use a visual progress tracker like a chart or an app to monitor your study progress. Seeing your improvement over time can be motivating. Break down your goals. Break down your study goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Just like how social media feeds give us bite-sized content, breaking your study material into smaller chunks makes it less overwhelming and more doable. For example, if you have to read a 200-page book, break it down into 20 pages a day. If you have a big exam coming up, create a study plan that covers all the topics over several weeks. Each completed task gives you a sense of achievement, motivating you to tackle the next one. Organize your tasks and track your progress. Seeing your progress visually can be incredibly satisfying and addictive. Create a study schedule. Consistency is key. Social media apps keep us hooked by constantly updating our feeds. Similarly, creating a study schedule helps you build a habit. Set specific times for studying each day and stick to them. Over time, this routine becomes a natural part of your day. Use reminders and alarms to keep you on track. And remember, the more consistent you are, the easier it becomes. For instance, you could dedicate an hour every morning and another hour in the evening for studying. Consistent study times help condition your mind to focus during those periods. Use digital calendars or planners to set up your schedule and include breaks to avoid burnout. Engage with study communities. Engage with study communities online. Just like social media connects us with friends and interests, study communities can provide support, motivation, and resources. Platforms like Reddit, Discord, or even dedicated Facebook groups can be great places to share your progress, ask questions, and find study buddies. Being part of a community keeps you accountable and motivated to keep up with your studies. Watch animated study contents. Animations can make learning more engaging and entertaining, helping you stay focused and interested in the topic. Animated videos can help visualize complex concepts or processes, making them easier to understand and remember. For example, in biology, an animation showing how cells divide can make the process easier to understand than reading about it in a textbook. This visualization can help you grasp abstract or complex ideas more easily. Animated videos often use storytelling, humor, and interactive elements to engage viewers. This engagement can make learning more enjoyable and encourage you to spend more time studying the material. Additionally, the dynamic nature of animations can help maintain your attention and focus. Experiment with different tools to find what works best for you. The key is to find something that makes studying enjoyable. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.